Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and this is a fourth grade lesson called Be Fair. And this is applying real world mathematics, multiplication in particular, for the students to figure out. So it's doing real world application. So the students will start by one student taking the time to spin a spinner on this little grid circle here and determining how many riders are going to go on each ride, and they're going to ride all the rides all together. So that, let's say they land on the 3. Then they'll draw a card, which will tell them how many tokens they have. And it says it must include a ride on the carousel. And the students will also have little counting tokens that they're going to use to count out if they need to. So let's just color that one in if they need to use them. So they can grab 15 tokens and then they can determine what rides they can go on. So this one said this must include a ride on the carousel. So it means all 3 students have to ride on the carousel. So we see here the number of riders. Excuse me, number of riders is 3. And each of those rides takes 3 tickets. So each child has to give 3 tickets. So the total number of tickets used up is 9. And that's our first round of rides that we went on. We used 9, but we have a total of 15. So how many tickets do we have left? Students have to figure that out. In this case, it's going to be 6. So then they have to determine what can they ride on in the second time that is going to get that, use up those last bit of tokens. And they can use the little counters that is provided for them and use them to help them with their mathematics if they need to. So as they have 6 tokens left, and there's 3 of them, I know that 3 divides into 6 2 times, but there's no rides that are 2. And so I can only then go get the cotton candy, and it says a limit of 2 per person. So we each can get 2 cotton candies. Oops, excuse me. Let me get my eraser here. There's 3 of us on the ride. So there's 3 of us in the ride. We can use 3, but we're going to have to go a second time, get another 3. So we got a total of 6 there. And then we're going to add up our tickets over here and then tell me how many used tickets we've used. In this case, we used up all our tokens. We were able to use them all up. Students who have leftover tokens have to hold on to those tokens. So any remaining tokens they hold on to. And then the student who has the least amount of tokens at the end is the winner, because they were able to get rid of all of their tokens. So that is the game. It's fun for kids, and it shows them actually a real world setting in which they applied math. So enjoy.